Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through the quickest way to view your archived messages in Roblox using your mobile device. If you've ever wondered where those old conversations went after you archived them, or if you just want to keep your inbox organized, this guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Roblox app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all your messages. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll spot 3 little dots stacked together. This is your More button. Tap on it, and a menu will pop up with several options. From here, you want to select Messages. This will take you straight to your inbox, where you can see all your recent conversations, requests, and notifications. This is where you'll find everything from friend requests to private chats, neatly organized in one place. Now, to access your archived messages, keep an eye out for the Archive tab. Depending on your device and the latest version of the app, the Archive section might be right at the top of your inbox, or you might need to swipe or look for a drop-down menu. Tap on Archive, and voila! You're now looking at all the messages you've tucked away. Why is this useful? Well, maybe you wanted to clean up your inbox but still keep important chats for later. Or perhaps you accidentally archived something and need to find it again. Whatever the reason, the Archive feature is a great way to declutter without losing anything important. Remember, if you ever want to move a message back to your inbox, just tap on it and look for the option to unarchive. This process is just as simple and keeps your messages easy to manage. So that's it. In just a few taps, you can view all your archived messages in Roblox on mobile. Whether you're organizing your inbox or searching for an old conversation, this method is quick, easy, and up-to-date. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.